That's sick, man. Nice
Heck
rig.
Yeah. They went down that way.
Yeah, I'm about to show these boys how to rip this pit bike track. Teach these kids how to ride a little pit bike. Let's see. Oh! I wore that helmet when I was a kid.
Are you ready to rip? I was a kid when I wore that. He's got a bigger head than you.
I just hit my tooth. The last one I have right there with the GoPro, that hurt.
Where's it at?
Here, you hold that.
Yeah. Hey, you want the goggles? You want the goggles? I'll fit it this thing.
Hey, here.
No, let me get that thing.
Here, will you take my AirPods? Wait a minute here. Hey, go. Do you know this track down here?
Follow him.
Do you follow me? Yeah, you follow me. Here, I'll whip it. Hold up. Dude, this is fun, man. We're not doing nothing at all. We're just ripping.
We're literally barely even ripping.
Alright, so watch this. I'm about to do some enduro cross national stuff right here.
This is easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Watch this, bro. Remember back when we were kids and we used to jump logs and everything?
Alright. Yeah, that hurts.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Take two.
It might need an oil tank.
The helmet was so big when I was wearing it with the GoPro. Interview. I'm not even the one riding. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
It's slick out here, bro.
Leaves are absurd.
It's just a little muddy, man. I mean, look, you can see my fingerprint. Let's rip the other track. We're gonna cross over up here.
All right.
I'm gonna go on this straight right here. Where we going? Hey, back up and go this way.
You gotta give us a burnout.
Hey, all right.
You have to push it in before you pull it in.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
push it. Pull. Teach bro how to do the reverse, you know. Okay. You know, I got it. Bro is being weird. What the freak?
Where are we going?
Over there. Follow him. What is he doing? Bro's cutting the tree. Go that way.
Trying to figure out where I can do a wheelie. That tire's bald.
Oh yeah.
Let's try and run this figure 8 in. You remember the figure 8?
Yeah, just don't get hurt.
Alright.
Riding too. Max! Let's see if you can climb this right here.
Is that like for real trail?
Yeah, yeah.
Here,
You want to see me do it real quick? I'll do it. I don't need it.
What's that? Bro, what?
About to go trail riding, hill climb racing. Not you, not you. See if he's got it. Here, stop real quick. Stop. Hey, I'm gonna go second. Yeah. You need to watch out hitting this right here. Yeah, you'll like. Get your back tires in there and then go.
Oh,
Use
so
the
I go
gears.
slow, as soon as the back tires go.
Kinda, I guess. I mean, you'll feel it. You just can't feel it. He is not feeling it.
I'm blown up.
No, he's not. Go down a gear. Get down. Go down. Go down in a gear. Bro, alright, stop. You're gonna like mess it up. Watch out, Jaden. How does this even happen?
Hey, Max. Stop.
I could land in here, bro. Alright, you're done. Go down again. Alright, go.
Holy cow. Thank goodness for support. Alright, go down.
Alright, Jaden's riding now.
Let me take over.
Jaden.
We're blowing things up. I don't know what's going on right now. There's too much chaos. The four-wheeler.
Turn that thing off, bro. Or something. Get it out of here.
I'm not hitting that.
You're done. You are done, bro. Done.
Thank you, Jaden. Second gear is probably toast.
No, it's not. It was just moving. He was giving it gas when it shifted. That's fine.
Nothing broke, dude. Hey, buddy.
Alright, let's turn the engines off real quick. Can't hear. Let's talk.
Something happened, dude. I don't know. I was going too fast or.
What happened?
The whole plastic.
Oh shoot, yeah, it's probably right here where you wrecked.
Remember where he rolled it? And then the dirt whiskey throttle?
It said one.
Yeah, you were like whiskey throttling the heck out of it, bro.
No, he was.
Alright, so I think we are done here. What do you think?
I think we need a new fresh set of plastics for bro.
Yeah, literally, that's kind of bad.
That sucks, but I mean, hey,
You
it's just
smell
parts. Well, so do we want to hit up any more tracks today? Do we want to go to my track or another track?
Do we want to, or do you want to stop when we're ahead?
Well, I don't think we're ahead. We're already behind.
Yeah, we're behind
I
after.
think we're way behind.
We're behind after the mud rev bomb, and Max Keller's
Yeah, we're behind, bro.
hill climb.
That's it. Number 2.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll just
Hey, first
do.
one went good though.
We'll do a little hill climb right up through here, and then I guess we'll hit that other one. So do y'all want to pile on there like some muchachos or what?
I haven't
somebody
driven.
wear this helmet.
Me.
That helmet's done a lot of stuff in a lot of great places, done a lot of amazing things.
Got a lot of stuff on it.
Oh.
Done a lot.
It's done a lot. Got a lot of stuff.
Bro, what you do to the helmet?
Hey man, don't be asking. Can't tell you. You gotta have a premium subscription for that.
Great, man. No, you can touch it.
Meanwhile,
Yeah, that was very hard.
we're gonna figure out how we get up there. Looks like I'm in the front. You hear that rattling? I think it's in the gear.
Sorry, but the three muchachos are not hitting the jump at the same time. Okay, chill. Actually, chill, Jojo. He about hit the tree.
I gotta keep my feet on the path.
might be in gear. One of us could.
I hurt my balls, man.
It's a good day. We had a great day, like Donald Trump stuff, man. We had a great day. We did some amazing things out here in these woods.
Red bomb.
We lost a little bit of weight, made the bike a little bit faster today.
Shredded up some gears.
Not on this thing.
Shredded up some gears. Yeah. I'm about vlogged out though. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Vlogged out, man.
What'd you say?
I don't know.
Except for Fortnite.